Hello everyone, my name is Jalpa and welcome to our channel Master Medium. In today's video, I will be telling you as to how you can replace simple words with some awesome vocabulary. So it has generally been observed that most students trying to enhance their English proficiency skills come to a point wherein their aspiration of fluency seems to be out of reach. That's because we get so comfortable using the simple words in our day-to-day speech that we forget to improvise on our vocabulary. The best and only way to progress and make way through is to substitute those simple words with some awesome vocabulary. This technique is not just simple but is quite effective as well. Just modifying your vocabulary bank will indeed enrich your language skills. So let's begin looking as to how you can replace a few simple words with some really good ones. Well, so we use these words on a daily basis which are quite simple and they are neat, clean, tidy. But you can replace these words with the word immaculate. It is pronounced as immaculate. Immaculate. Now let me show you how to use the word. Well, to begin with, you can say the hotel lobby was immaculate. You can also use the word to say immaculate wedding gown, immaculate surroundings. The earth can be a better place if we learn to keep it immaculate. I'm sure we would all agree to this. Whenever you tend to come across a noun that you really are fond of, we associate it with the word very beautiful. For example, we say she looked very beautiful, the sofa is beautiful, the house is beautiful. But the word beautiful can be replaced with another beautiful word which is exquisite. 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 You can use it to say exquisite jewelry, exquisite piece of art, exquisite dress, exquisite weather, exquisite floral arrangement, and so on. Whenever we want to quantify something, we tend to use the word great number or countless or a lot number of times, but these words can be replaced with the word myriad. 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 You can go on to use them in sentences like my message box was flooded with myriad birthday wishes. My mom gave me myriad of ideas for my wedding. The doctor gave me myriad prescriptions. I faced myriad challenges during my work. Myriad career opportunities are available these days. Whenever we want to mention someone's achievements, we generally use the words success or victory. These can be replaced with the word triumph. 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 For example, you can say, the monument is a triumph of architecture. Her triumph in the examination portrayed her potential. Cracking the interview was a triumph to be celebrated. It was a huge triumph for the actor who received the award. Well, we all know of a lot of people who are born with some inborn talent. In fact, each one of us is born unique and with some individual talent of our own. The word to be used for that is innate. 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 For example, innate musical talent. He has an innate knowledge of mythology. They have an innate sense of humor. There's innate goodness in children. We are all curious human beings and we gain interest in things pretty easy. So, the words curious and interest can be replaced with intrigue. 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 For example, you can go on to say, her ideas intrigued me. Her beauty intrigues me. The mysterious plot of the movie intrigued the audience. The children were intrigued by the magic tricks. I am intrigued by her energy and enthusiasm. I hope these words benefit you and help you improve your vocabulary. To enrich your vocabulary bank, keep watching our upcoming videos wherein we will be showing you more such exciting and new words. Do subscribe to our channel, and if this video has benefited you, do hit the like button and share it with others as well. Thank you.